Hi beautiful people, welcome to my channel. In today's video we are visiting Dogo Park. This park is also called Yuzuki Castle Ruin, so there's a lot of history attached to this park. The park is not far from Dogo Onsen and it's not a big park, so it's a nice place to just walk around, relax and take a few pictures. Dogo Park is made up of so many cherry trees, which just adds a lot of color to the park in the spring. However, in the summer, those trees become the habitat for cicadas. And if you know anything about cicadas, then you would know that they are extremely noisy. And in Japan during summer, you cannot avoid them. Like everywhere there's either a tree or a flower bed, you can definitely find them there. There are places to sit, so even if you get tired of walking, you can just sit and relax. Equally, the park is very flat, making it easy to walk around. Not too far from this park, there's also a museum where you can go to learn more about the history of this park. On this day, I did not visit the museum, but the next time I'm in the area, I'm definitely going to visit the museum and I will carry you along as always. Thank you so much for staying tuned with me. If you liked this video, please give this video a thumbs up. See you in the next video. Goodbye.